chance at best. Otherwise, most of us look to stay dry as we are tracking some partially clearing skies as the day progresses as well. Now, midweek, though, a different setup. We are tracking better storm chances to rumble on in then, and even so, we are looking at a stretch of fairly warm and humid weather for at least the next few days. Already a warm start in spots this morning. Some of our western areas haven't even fallen out of the 70s yet. That does include Clay Center and Marysville. You're at 70 degrees on the dot right now, 68 though for Emporia, and we're still sitting at 69 degrees right here in the capital city. Not only is it a warm start, but it's also a bit on the humid side as well. Dew points are that measurement of how much moisture is in the air, already nearing 70 degrees. 70 degrees is the dew point for Junction City, and it's a bit on the stuffy side because of that humid air in place. And really, it's not going to budge much for the next couple of days. As you can see later on this afternoon, stopping here at 1 p.m., you can see that darker shade of green popping up over our eastern region. So we are expecting humid to muggy conditions, not only for today, but also for Tuesday as well, as you'll see that darker shade of green pop up once again. Now you factor in that humid air with temperatures expected to be in the mid to upper 80s for today, and it could feel as if it's in the low 90s for your Monday and also your Tuesday plans. Now, air temperature-wise, we haven't actually been in the 90s for about 3 weeks, but it could feel like that because of that humid air in place for the next couple of days. One of the reasons we are warmer this morning is because of the mostly cloudy conditions across the region, but we are starting off the day dry. Now that will be the trend through the morning. We're looking at partially clearing skies, even heading into your lunchtime plans at noon, but late this afternoon into the evening is when some spotty showers and maybe a rogue thunderstorm or two could pop up across northeast Kansas. We're looking at additional isolated rain chances once again for late in the day on Tuesday. Best chance of rain, though, rumbles in overnight Tuesday into Wednesday morning. You can see just how much green and now yellow and orange is popping up. So we are tracking the possibility of some heavy rain to set up. And notice the timestamp here, 6 a.m. So for those kids heading back to school Wednesday morning, keep the rain gear handy. It won't be a bad idea. Breaking down today's day planner for you, though, mostly cloudy start. We'll see some clearing for your lunchtime plans, and we'll also be back into the low 80s at that point. Later on this afternoon and evening, though, is when you could expect maybe some spotty rain mixing in. For tonight, calling for a low of 68 degrees with partly cloudy conditions and an additional slight rain chance. Otherwise, our KSNT Storm Track 7-day forecast shows we're still looking at upper 80s, even with those rain chances for the next couple of days. Best shot of rain for the week will roll in on Wednesday, though, and even so, temperatures look to be pretty constant in the mid to upper 80s for